Hello everyone, I'm Trace from Pokeworld. So today we are going to talk about huge potentials of NFTs on Kusama. And I will take 4 projects as examples. In a previous post, we said that there was an art and NFT boom brewing in the Kusama ecosystem. And now, Kusama NFT ecosystem has evolved a bit more, and a number of interesting NFTs have been born. So first, let's take a look at some of the infrastructural developments in Kusama NFT. Most NFTs in the Kusama ecosystem are currently based on the Remark standard. Remark, also known as NFT Lego, is Kusama's native NFT standard and is quite powerful compared to traditional NFT standards such as ERC 721. NFTs created based on the Remark standard can react to emoticons, have sub-NFTs, have multiple different types of resources, render based on conditions, and can be governed by DAO. This makes the Kusama NFT more playable, more useful, and can evolve over time, making it well suited for use in games and metaverse. The Remark standard has now been upgraded to 2.0 and has implemented all the advanced NFT features mentioned above. So here we'll look at a few of the more interesting NFT cases in Kusama. The first, Canaria. Canaria is a limited series of NFTs developed by the Remark team and serves as a practical example of the different features of the Remark standard. The final form of Canaria is a Canaria bird, which hatches from Canaria eggs, which have 4 different rarities corresponding to the number of gem slots and the probably of rare appearance and equipment drops after hatching. The hatching process requires the use of Remark's emote feature, which means that different emotes can be sent to the eggs, and these emotes may affect the appearance of the final hatching bird. For example, a bird that receives a lot of sound, some emotes may grow parts with a similar appearance. The appearance of each Canary bird consists of 7 parts, including the body, left wing, right wing, head, facial expression, legs, and tail. Each part has a different rarity and is randomly generated, but more advanced eggs have a higher probability of hatching a rarer appearance. An emote may also have an effect on the appearance. In addition to the appearance of the bird itself, each bird has 7 equipment slots, including background, foreground, backpack, necklace, headpiece, left wing holder, and right wing holder. Each equipment slot can be equipped with 1 NFT item, and extra items that are not equipped for now can be stored in the inventory bar. The Remark's nested NFT feature is used here, meaning that one NFT can have other child NFTs. Depending on the rarity of the bird, each bird also have 2 to 5 gem slots, with different gem NFTs having different abilities. The Canary bird is very playful and useful compared to the traditional NFT mini pictures, and fully demonstrates the different capability of the Remark standard. The gameplay of hatching, equipping sub-NFTs and gems with different abilities is very reminiscent of the game and metaverses. The Remark team probably thought so too, as they took Canaria a step further with the Canaria Skybridge meta-universe for Canaria. The second and next, Skybridge Metaverse. The Skybridge Metaverse, also developed by the Remark team, is an extension of the Canaria concept and consists of 9 continents suspended in the sky, each with 25,000 plots and different biomes, with 1 continent opening first. Plots are divided into 4 classes: normal, rare, epic, and special, corresponding to the different building heights, depths, and decay types. Decay means that a parcel will be reclaimed if it is not deployed within a set period of time, thus motivating people to actually develop and use the land instead of simply speculating on it. The Skybridge Metaverse is 2D pixel style. The development team felt that 2D world make the entire metaverse lighter and more mobile-friendly, thus helping to appeal to the mainstream users. I think another benefit is that the development circle will be shorter it will be less difficult to develop other gameplay based on it. And 2D doesn't mean it's not fun. After all, there are many great 2D games that are small and beautiful. The characters in the metaverse are various NFTs, initially supporting Remark's canary birds and chunkies, with more to be added through the governance process in the future. As mentioned above, NFTs based on the Remark standard can have multiple resources. So the canary bird can contain 1 pixel style resources to be used in SkyBridge. And SkyBridge's governance system is called World Governance. And the governing body is all canary birds. This means that canary bird holders can change all aspects of SkyBridge through governance, such as available metaverse characters, backstories, new continents, etc. And SkyBridge has a main storyline, and users can choose to explore the main storyline and complete various quests, as well as wander around the metaverse, somewhat similar to some open-world games. Users can also develop their own side plots, side quests, or even create a whole other world to customize their own worldview, as long as it is integrated with the main plot. Adding storyline to the SkyBridge after its launch requires approval from World Governance. Overall, SkyBridge is a community-owned, decentralized, casual-style metaverse. The next, Moonblade. Moonblade is a series of NFTs combined with real-world representation, kind of like an NFT version of Ant Forest. Moonblade is a collaboration between Remark and the environmental project Terra to plant trees in some of the wasted land destroyed by mountain fires in Portugal. Moonblade creates corresponding virtual tree NFTs for real trees, created by Georgian artist Mashoreland. The initial form of these NFTs is a bag of seeds, blind box, which will be revealed after months. The seeds will turn into unique virtual tree NFTs that will display information about the corresponding real trees, such as species, geography, location, planting date, etc. These small tree NFTs may be able to bear fruit NFTs. Since the saplings are fragile, if the real sapling do not survive after a month, then your revealed NFT will not grow into a tree, but will become a forest spirit NFT. In the official introduction, it says, in a Remark-based metaverse, these trees may have special uses and values, such as the ability to produce virtual fruit, oxygen, lower temperatures, etc. At this point, we can't promise that these features will actually happen, but the possibility itself is already a big deal. The last one, Kusama Kingdom. Kusama Kingdom wants to create a Kusama Kingdom universe and currently has two limited NFT series, Kusama King and Kusama Queen. Kusama King has 4 rarities: limited, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. And there are only 10 legendary kings, which correspond to the 10 Legend of the Lost Sword NFTs. Kusama Queen also has the same gameplay, except that the Lost Sword becomes the cursed Frog Prince. So if you have both King and Queen, then add a Wedding Ring NFT to give birth to the Royal Baby NFT. The team has taken a number of initiatives to empower NFT. For example, holders of both the King and Queen collections can join the Exclusion Discord group, the Great Hall, where they discuss various NFT projects. Kusama King holders can manage the King Bounty Fund and participate in other early-stage NFT projects through KingPad. So the NFT ecosystem on Kusama is now taking shape, and the infrastructure is relatively complete. The native Remark standard gives more imagination to the NFT project on Kusama and allows us to see some new ways of playing NFT. In the future, Kusama NFT also hopes to combine with Metaverse, GameFi, etc. to explore more interesting ways to play. And hope you enjoyed this video. If it is helpful to you, please thumb up and subscribe to our channels to learn more about Web3 and Polkadot. See you next time!